Welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with ER. In this video guys, we are going to know, we are going to learn something new, something different, something dynamic in ServiceNow. Okay, yes guys, you heard that right. Today in this video, in this tutorial, we are going to know, we are going to learn something new, something different, something dynamic in ServiceNow. Okay, and guys, today in this video, in this tutorial, we are going to know, we are going to learn that how to create an awesome, dynamic, cool, and simple mood detector application in ServiceNow. Okay, yes guys, you heard that right. Today in this video, in this tutorial, we are going to know, we are going to learn that how to create an awesome, dynamic, cool, and simple mood detector application in ServiceNow. Okay, so guys, just to give you the demo, I have already created an example. So let me go to the example now and let me just show you the example. Let me just explain all the features and all the functionalities of the example to you so that we will get to know that today what we are going to learn and today what we are going to create in this video, in this tutorial in ServiceNow with me, ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so let me go to the example now. So guys, this is the example I have built in ServiceNow. Okay, and here we can see the logo of ServiceNow, and this is the main navigation items also, knowledge, catalog, request, system status, cart, tours, and system administrator. And guys, here is the search input field. Okay, guys, we can search anything. Literally, we can search anything, but always in ServiceNow. Okay, we can't access the things, we can't fetch the things from the outer world. Okay, but literally guys, we can search anything through this search input field in ServiceNow. We can search any hardware, we can search any software, we can search any knowledge article, and guys, we can order any kind of services, we can order any kind of application, we can order any kind of hardware as well from this ServiceNow service portal as well. Okay, and guys, here is the mode detector application I am talking about. Okay, and here is the heading also, learn ServiceNow with ER Prabhat Pandit, and below we can see here another heading, learn ServiceNow scripting and Angular in ServiceNow. Okay, yes guys, you read that right. Today in this video, in this tutorial, we are going to know what is ServiceNow scripting and what is Angular, and how to use ServiceNow scripting and how to use Angular to create this awesome, cool, and dynamic mode detector application in ServiceNow with me, ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, and guys, here we can see the heading also, how are you feeling today? Okay, and below we can see here another heading, I mean subheading also we can say, click on your current mood. Okay, and guys, here are the moods, happy, neutral, and angry, and below we can see here another finger pointing towards these buttons as well. Okay, and here is the text also, click any button above to select your mood. Okay, so guys, now here are the moods, happy, neutral, and angry. Okay, so we have to click on these moods, okay, to see the user moods. Okay, so guys, I have used here ServiceNow scripting and Angular to create this mood detector application in ServiceNow. Okay, so guys, this is very simple yet dynamic application in ServiceNow. So guys, if you are new to ServiceNow and if you are learning ServiceNow in 2026, then guys, this video is definitely for you. You should definitely watch this entire video if you are new to ServiceNow and if you want to learn ServiceNow scripting and if you want to know what is Angular and how to use Angular to create any kind of simple, dynamic, and enterprise level application in ServiceNow, then you must watch this entire video very carefully and very patiently, because in this video I'll teach you what is ServiceNow scripting and what is Angular in ServiceNow and how to use scripting and how to use Angular to create any kind of application in ServiceNow. Okay, this is it. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to click on the happy mode right now. I mean on the happy button. Okay, So click it now. See, boom guys, you can see here now this happy mood button is now selected because the background color of this button is now black, which means this is right now selected. This happy mode is right now active. Okay, and here I have used here CSS animation as well, and this is the happy emoji, and you are feeling happy, and here are the moods emoji. So the mood is happy, emoji is this happy emoji, status is recorded, and here is the another button to select the different mood. Okay, so guys, we can toggle this, I mean we can select, okay, or we can deselect the mood by clicking again on the same button which is currently active. Okay, so I'm going to again click this happy mood to deselect this. Okay, so click it now. See, boom guys, we can toggle the things. Now I'm going to click on the neutral mode, so click it now. See, so here are the neutral mode, and you can see right now this is active, right now this is selected. Okay, and here is the neutral emoji. I have used here CSS animation. Okay, you can see here this looks cool and this looks dynamic as well. Okay, and you are feeling neutral, so the mode is neutral, emoji is this neutral emoji, status is recorded, and here again we can see the same button to select the different mood. Okay, so I'm going to again click this neutral button to deselect this. Okay, see, now this is now again I'm going to click on the angry button or the angry mood. See, you can see here now the mode is now angry because this is now the active, this angry button is now active, which means this is currently active. Okay, and here is the angry emoji, you are feeling angry, so the mode is angry, emoji is this, status is recorded, and here we can see here different button to select the different mode. Okay, so again click this to deselect this active angry mode or mood. Okay, it is now gone. Again we can click on happy. Okay, so see, click on neutral, click on angry, click on neutral, click on happy, and we can again change this through this button, select different mood. Okay, so click it now. See, click on neutral, it is neutral, click on different mood button. See, click on angry, so here it is the angry, so this is the angry. Again click this button, select different mode, okay, or mood, so it is here. Click on happy. Okay, click on neutral, click on angry. You can see dynamically also it is changing according to the button, according to the mood. Okay, so see, click on neutral, this is now neutral, click on happy, this is now happy, click on neutral, click on angry, click on happy, click on angry, click on neutral. You can see this is very dynamic and this is very, okay, simple yet dynamic application, mood detector application I have built in ServiceNow using ServiceNow scripting and Angular in ServiceNow. Okay, so guys, I hope you are now excited, you are now thrilled to create, to build this application in ServiceNow with me, ER Prabhat Pandit, in today's video, in today's session. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn and let's build this mood detector application with me in ServiceNow today's video. Okay, so guys, let's get started and let's learn and let's build this mood detector application. Okay, but guys, before starting of the video, I would like to request you all, please guys, please subscribe now my this channel code with ER, and please guys press the bell icon also so that you will be notified whenever I will upload the new video in the playlist. And guys, you can definitely watch them, and definitely guys, you're going to grow also in your ServiceNow career, in your ServiceNow development path. Okay, so guys, here you have to do here four things for me. First of all, you have to subscribe now my this channel code with ER. You have to press the bell icon also, and third, you have to share this video with your friends, with your colleagues, with your groups as well. And fourth guys, you have to like this video, which will give me the confidence and motivation to create awesome videos like this on each and every topic of web development, full stack development, and on ServiceNow as well. Okay, so guys, I'm going to trust you, I'm going to count on you that you will subscribe now my this channel code with ER, and you will share this video with your friends, with your colleagues, with your groups also, and you will like this video as well, and you will press the bell icon as well. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn and let's build this mood detector application in ServiceNow using ServiceNow scripting and Angular in ServiceNow. Okay, so guys, this is it. So guys, now this is my PDI, personal development instance. Okay, so let's just go to the all. So guys, first of all, I'll create here one page, one widget, and one ServiceNow service portal as well. Okay, so let me just go to the nodes first. Just create new node. I'll just write here portal, or first of all I'll create here page. Okay, so first of all I'll create here page, and I hope it will have a name, or I guess title. Okay, and definitely it will have ID as well. So ID, and now next I'll create here widget. So it will definitely have the name. Okay, the title as well, and definitely it will have the ID as well. And lastly I'll create here one portal. Okay, this is it. So portal will have I guess it will have ID, or it will definitely have URL suffix. This is it. Okay, so here is the page, widget, and portal. It will help us to find the page, widget, and portal later on in this video. Okay, so that's why I have created this. So let's just save this, and now go to the all filter navigator, and first of all I'll search here pages to create the new pages. Okay, go to the service portal. Below this, click this pages, and now to create a new page we have to click here this button new. So guys, now title is here. I'll say here Prabhat Pandit. Okay, 100. Copy this title for the future reference. It will be easy to sort this page. Okay, so I'll just give here the uh, ID like this. Anything we can give here. ID should be unique. ID should be different. Okay, so now give the short description this as well. Okay, so guys, now make this public and click here on this top, choose save option. So now this page is now saved. Okay, so we don't need this, or else okay we can search it later on. Just close this. So now we will create here one portal. So very quickly I'll just create here one portal, ServiceNow service portals. Okay, so click here portals, search here, click this portals, and now I'll create here new portal. Click this button new. So title is here. I'll give here title as a Prabhat underscore Pandit. Okay, I'll give you 100 as well. Copy this, and just go to the portal. So here it is, and the URL suffix I'll give here pp underscore 100. Copy this URL suffix as well, and paste it here, and just minimize this. And now guys, now in the home page I'll search the page we have just created. Okay, so guys, in the home page we have to provide here our custom page, the page we have just created. I'm going to put this page, so the page ID, I'm going to search this page with the ID right now. So click on this search icon, home page. So bring it here, and for the ID I'll search. So put here, hit enter, and this is our page. Okay, this is our page. Click this, and now KB homepage. I'll give here anything as of now. For the time being I will just give here this for the I'll just give here say here cab workbench. Okay, login page. I'll give here login page. So I can search here, say here login, hit enter. Here is the login. Click this, and I'll provide here the logo as well, ServiceNow logo. Okay, so click this add to, but choose this button. Okay, choose file from this button. Okay, so go down ServiceNow logo. So this is the ServiceNow logo I'll use here. Click open, click OK now, and yeah, so here is the ServiceNow logo. This is it. and now I'll give you the 404 page as well. So I'll search here 404, hit enter. Here it is the page, here is the page. So I'll give you the catalog home page as well. Click this search icon to provide any page or the custom page you have just created. Okay, so KV category I'll give here. I'll give you a catalog category home page as well. Click this search icon and choose anything. I'll just choose here this say here service status. I'll give you the main menu as well. Click this search icon and I'll use here SP header menu this, and I'll use the theme as a Coral. Okay, so use this Coral theme, this is it. And now just click here on the right, on the top, right click here and choose this save option. Okay, so guys, here is the button. Try it, update, view analytics setting and delete. So I'll just I will just try this portal live on the browser. So click this button, try it now. So here is the portal, guys, we have just created. We won't be able to see anything as of now because there is nothing on our page. Okay, so just come here, let's just close this portal page now, and now we will search the page we have just created. So click here, search your page or the pages. Okay, click this pages, and now let me just search the page with the ID this time. Okay, copy this ID or the title, we can say here. So click hit enter. Here is the page. So open this page, and now we will open this page in the designer. Okay, we will open this page in the designer. This is our custom page we have just created. Okay, so go to the down, go to the related links and click this link, open in designer. Here it is, and now I'll just provide here. I'll just provide here this. Okay, search input field. Okay, I'll just provide here this search input field. Okay, so now just choose here table container, and now I'll just inside the widget. Okay, inside the widgets tab only, I'll search here home page search. So drag it here and drop it here, and now I'll just configure this using this pencil icon. Click this pencil icon, and I'll just give here title as a my name, but title should be meaningful. It should not be your name, it should not be your company name. It should be some meaningful text, okay, for the information. Okay, I'll just say here ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, I'll give you a short description. Learn service now with ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, this is it. Okay, I won't give you a type ahead search. I'll just give you a AI search. Okay, I can give you anything. We can just give you a knowledge portal search configuration. This is it. Search result configuration. I'll just give you a knowledge portal search. This is it. Okay, I'll give you a placeholder. Search anything here. This is it. I'll give you AI. Okay, search source filter as well. All knowledge articles. Okay, so just click this save button. So this is going to save automatically. Okay, this is going to save automatically. So now click here, and now click here, and now we'll just click this pencil icon to configure this. Okay, so click this pencil icon, and now I'll just choose here the background image only. Rest all I will leave as it is. Okay, so where it is, so plain, this is the background image I'll choose here as a background image. So click open. Okay, and background style I'll give here as a cover. Okay, this is it. We can give here width, fixed width, we can give anything, we can choose anything. Okay, fixed or fluid. Okay, we can give you a parent class, we can give here our custom CSS classes as well. We can give you the background color as well. Okay, and we can give you order, pages. Okay, current screen reader type also. We can give you a semantic as well, main or none. Okay, this is it. I'll just choose here background image, and I'll just choose this background style as well, cover. Okay, so click this save button now. So this is going to be saved automatically. Okay, so now come here and now refresh this page. So here we can see here the name Prabhat Pandit, and this is the learn service now with ER Prabhat Pandit. We can search anything here. We can search any KV article, any knowledge article. We can search any kind of application. We can search any kind of hardware as well, and we can order this from this ServiceNow service portal as well. Okay, we can read this knowledge article, knowledge KV articles. Okay, so let's just search here password. hit enter. You can see password reset. Okay, password reset, enrollment, change password, renew certificate. We can read any kind of knowledge article. We can read any kind of KV articles. Okay, and using this we can fix our issues. We can fix our simple or trivial issues as well. Okay, using this knowledge KV articles. Okay, reading this knowledge KV articles. Okay, so go to the home now. I don't want to spend a lot of time on this. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so guys, now I will just create here one new widget as well. Okay, I'll just create here one new widget as well, so we don't need this page anymore. Click this, or I mean close this. So now just close this as well, and now I'll just go to the all filter navigator. I'll just search here widgets. Okay, so widgets. Okay, so click this widgets. I'll just create here the new widget very quickly. Click this button new to create the new widget. Okay, so here is the name. I'll just give you the Prabhat underscore new widget. Okay, copy this. It will be easy to search this widget later on in this video. Okay, so paste it here, save this, and I'll give the ID as well. I can give you ID, anything like this. Copy this ID as well, and just save this. Okay, this is it. And now I'll just give you the, so guys, this is the ServiceNow service portal widget. Okay, and here is the body HTML template. Here is the CSS column, and here is the server script. I don't need server script for this video, for this demo, so we need only client controller. So this client controller we all need right now in this video, and this client controller is going to run on the browser, is going to run on the client. Okay, browser. Okay, this is it. Okay, so I'll just first of all let me just so guys, this is the this C is known as the controller as. Okay, I mean this C is known as the scope in Angular. Okay, so guys, we have all seen dollar scope in Angular. Okay, so guys, this C is known as the dollar scope in ServiceNow. Okay, because ServiceNow uses the modern technique. So dollar Angular, I mean dollar scope was also very famous in ServiceNow, but ServiceNow recommend to use C. This is very readable, simple, and modern as well. So instead of dollar scope, we will use here C in ServiceNow. So here is the var equal to this. Okay, so now we will use this C to create our data, to create our object, to create our variables, and using this C. Okay, this C will let us use our application variables, function, data, object, anything which we will define inside this client controller. It will be easy for us to use this variable, functions, okay, array, object in our in our in our HTML part, in our HTML template part, using this C, okay, variable or controller as, or we can say here the scope. Okay, so now I'm going to create here one simple object using this C as well. Okay, so I'll just say here C dot data equal to, I'll create here one simple object. Okay, so now I'll just define here a few. So guys, object has the key value pair. Okay, so it will definitely have key and value pair. Okay, so I'll just write here comment also. So key and value. Okay, key and value pair. Okay, this is it. So I'll just create here a few. Okay, properties also. So now I'll just create here the main header colon. I'll just use here comma because I'm going to create here object. So I'll just say here learn ServiceNow with ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so now I'll just say here the second title. I'll just say here learn ServiceNow scripting and Angular in ServiceNow with Prabhat Pandit. Okay, this is it, put comma here. Okay, so guys now, okay guys, now this data will be available in our, okay, so guys now this data will be available in our HTML part, in our HTML template part, using this C. Okay, using this C. So first of all, let me just save this widget page very quickly. So right click here and save. Okay, this is it. So guys now I'll just create here one h1 element as well, and h1 I'll just give here class. Okay, I can say here text center. This is the bootstrap class CSS. I mean the ServiceNow uses bootstrap version 3. Okay, and I use here this is known as the like, what can I say, string interpolation in Angular, which means double curly braces. Okay, and now we can use this. Okay, c dot data dot main header to show this learn ServiceNow with Prabhat Pandit on ServiceNow service portal page. I'm in here. Okay, I'm in here. Okay, so now, so copy this main header and now come here. What I'll use here, I'll just say here c dot data dot main header to grab this text. Okay, so I can say here c dot data dot this main header dot this main header. So copy this and just paste it here. So now let me just copy this also, and now just paste it here also. And now what we'll do here, to show this second title, we will say here c dot data dot second title to show this second title as well. So just paste it here. So right click here, save. Okay, so guys now come here. So now we will just, first of all, I'll just right click, click this plus icon, and now I'll choose this 12 container as well, and inside the widgets tab only, what I'll do here, what I'll search here, I'll search here the widget name, the custom widget I have just created, this widget Prabhat new widget. So copy this name from here and just search inside the widgets tab only. So paste it here. So let me just refresh this one more time. Okay, so now search this. So here it is, the widget. So drag it here, drop it here. Okay, so now we can see here the text. So now come here and now refresh this page. Okay, so guys, we can see here learn ServiceNow with Prabhat Pandit, learn ServiceNow scripting and Angular in ServiceNow with Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, this is it. So guys, now I'm going to create here a few more data now. Okay, so now I'm going to create here the title. Okay, so I'll just create here title. I can say here, okay, so put here comma, and I can say here how are you feeling today? Give you a capital T. Okay, today, this is it. I'm going to create here now one array of object. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to create here one array of object with the name moods. Okay, this is it. So now put comma and close this and close this, and this is it. So now I'll give here the, I can give here the name as a happy. I can give here the emoji. So emoji. Okay, I can give here, I'll give here emoji, the happy emoji, and I can give here the level as well. So level, I can give here happy. Okay, this is it. So now let's just create this data also. So I can say here name equal to neutral, comma, go a little up, and I can give you emoji as well. So I'll put here emoji. Okay, the neutral emoji I'll put here, and I will give you a level as well. So level I'll give you neutral. This is it. I just create here this data as well. So I can say here name equal to angry, put comma. I can give you the emoji, not else emoji. I will put here the angry emoji. Let's just be consistent. Put here double quotes, and I can give you the level as well. So level I'll give you angry. Okay, this is it. So guys, now let me just first of all let me just go to the widget. Okay, so click this widget, and I'll just copy the I'll just copy the icons. Okay, a happy, neutral, and angry icon. Okay, so I'll just search here Prabhat, hit enter. So this is the Prabhat. So click this, and I'll just go down. I'll just copy the so I'll just copy. Okay, this is the different one. So click this. I hope it will be here, not this. So click this. Yeah, here it is. So here is the emoji icon. Copy this emoji from here and just paste it here, and copy this neutral emoji from here and just paste it here. Copy this angry emoji icon and just paste it here. This is it. I don't need this space, so cut it now. So first of all, just save this. Okay, first of all, just save this. Okay, so guys, now I'll look through this array of object. Okay, so guys, now I'll look through now I will look through this modes array of object using angular ng repeat. Okay, using angular ng repeat, I'm going to look through this modes array of object. Okay, now just come up. I will just create here one div. Okay, so guys, I'm going to create here one div first. Okay, so now create here div, give the class as well. First of all, let's just close this div, otherwise we will forget it. Okay, and it will create a lot of issues as well. So I'll just say here mode widget. Okay, mode widget container. Okay, mode widget container. So now just open this div, and we will write each and everything inside this div only. So this is the container div. Okay, and now I'll just create here header. So like just here comment for you. So I can just say here header and create div. Now give class, just close this div. Okay, and give class here. I can give class here widget. Okay, widget header. Okay, open this div now, and inside this div I'll just create here h3 element, h3, give here class as well. I can give here class. I can say here what can I say here, say here title as a class, and now I'll use here interpolation, or we can say here string interpolation to show the data. So to show this data, how are you feeling today? Okay, I'll just use here this c dot data dot title. Okay, so copy this title from here, and we will say here. Okay, so I'll just say here c not c dot data dot title. As of now, just save this widget page. So come here and refresh this page one more time. So guys, here is the how are you feeling today. Okay, so let's just come here and make it small t, it will look good. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to copy the css. Okay, so guys, css is a little vast, little bigger. So guys, this is the css. Okay, you can just pause the video and you can just go through this. This is very simple CSS. Okay, I'm not going to write this CSS here because I'm expecting if you are learning React or the Angular or ServiceNow, then you must know what is CSS and how to write custom CSS to make your application look cool, to make your application look dynamic. Okay, so guys, this is the simple, okay, application. Okay, I mean CSS. So you can just pause the video and you can just go through this CSS. Okay, this is very simple and very, okay, plain CSS. Okay, nothing any like hard and fast CSS, no rocket science as well. Okay, so I'm going to copy this CSS, copy this, and just inside the CSS column I'm going to paste it. Okay, so here is the CSS column, so just paste it here, and now just save this widget. Come here and refresh the page. So here you can see here, now it looks cool, it looks good. Okay, so how are you feeling today? Okay, this is it. So come here, so guys, I'll just use here and repeat to look through this modes array of object. Okay, so I'll just create here, okay, buttons also. So now I'm going to create here button. Okay, now below this I'll just say here, I'll just create here, create your div, give class. I can just close this div now, and I'll just give you a class as a say here sub title, and I can say here click on your current mood. Okay, on your current mood. So let's just put here, I mean point. Okay, this is it. And now I'll just below this div, I'll just write comment for you guys. Okay, and I'll just say here, I can say here mode selection buttons. Okay, mode selection buttons. Okay, this is it. Create div now, or we can create first of all, let's just create a container div. Okay, and give class. So close this div now. So I'll give you a class as a mode buttons. Okay, mode buttons. Open this div, and inside this div I'll create here, I can say here create, instead of button we can create here button div anything. So let's just create here button only. So close this button. Okay, and just give you class as well. I'll give you a class as a, I can say I can give you a class as a mode button. Okay, mode button. So now on this what I'll say here, I'll use here ng repeat to look through this modes array of object. Okay, I'll use here ng repeat. I'll say here mode in c dot data dot modes. Okay, c dot data dot modes. Okay guys, this modes, okay, this modes array of object and I'm talking about. Okay, so this c dot mode in c dot data. So now this is it, and now I can, so now I'll use here string interpolation. So I can say here I can just create here, let's just create here two span element, couple of span element I'm going to create here. So span, close this span as well, copy this very quickly and just paste it here, and I'll just give the class on this span element as well. I can give you a class as a emoji, and I can give class as a label. Okay, so now I can just use here string interpolation, and I can say here mode. So mode, okay, this mode object guys, okay, this mode object. So guys, now this is the object. Okay, so guys, this mode is now an object, and to show here emoji, what I will do here, I'll just say here mode dot emoji. show the emoji. Okay, so copy this and just paste it here. And now to show the level, what I'll do here, I'll just use here string interpolation and mode dot, I can say here level. Okay, to show the level. So as of now, just save this widget page and come here, and let me just refresh this page one more time. Okay, so here we can see here guys buttons. Okay, happy, neutral and angry button. We can see here guys happy, neutral and angry button. Okay, so now come here, and now on this button I'll use here classes. Okay, ng class dynamically. To apply the classes dynamically, I'll use here ng class. Okay, so ng class to apply the dynamic classes. So now I will apply the classes. I'll say here selected, I can say here selected mode, and now I'll apply here the dynamic classes. Okay, so put here single quote inside the double quote, and now I'll just say here, so now I'll just check. Okay, if c dot data, dot selected, okay, if anything is selected or not. Okay, if anything is selected or not. Okay, so first of all I'll create here one extra object. So below this I'll create here selected. Okay, so instead of selected, say here selected, say here selected mode. Okay, instead of selected, say here selected mode. Okay, it will be easy. And as of now, just give here null. Okay, so I just give here null. So copy this selected mode. Okay, and now we will check here with this. Okay, so now just go a little up here only. So selected mode. Okay, if anything is selected or not, and we will check. Okay, and we will again check c. Okay, c dot data dot selected. Okay, selected mode dot name. Okay, dot name equal to I'll check here, I'll just check here this mode, okay, this mode dot name. Okay, this mode dot name, if it is equal to, okay, if this condition satisfies, okay, we will apply here dynamic, okay, classes, this selected mode class. Okay, we will check here if anything is selected first, and if we will check here if c dot data dot selected mode dot name equal to this mode dot name on which user has currently clicked. Okay, this matches the name. Okay, then we will apply this selected mode class dynamically whenever user will click on the mode button. Okay, so right now on this button also I'll create here one function also. So I'll just use here ng click to create a function. So ng click equal to, I'll just say here c dot function name. I will give here function name, it can be anything. I can say here selected mode, and I will pass the entire mode object. Okay, so guys, I will pass this entire mode object. So copy this mode object and just paste it here. So we have to create this function now inside our Angular. So copy this and now just pull it up, I mean down. So paste it here, and I'll say here function, and remove this, put here, close this. Okay, and now what I'll do here, I'll just say here, okay, c dot data dot selected mode. Okay, this selected mode, and if user will click anything, we will just put here the entire mode object. Okay, we will put here the entire mode object. Okay, so guys, suppose user will click on the user will click on happy, neutral and angry, then this will what it will do here, it will have c dot data dot selected mode equal to, it will have this entire happy object. Okay, it will have this entire happy object here. Okay, so let me just bring it into the same line. It will be easy for you to understand. Okay, and same for the angry and same for the neutral as well. Okay, same for the angry, same for the neutral as well. Okay, so for happy button. Okay, happy button for neutral button. Okay, and for angry button. Okay, so say here neutral emoji I'll give here. Say here neutral. Okay guys, I'm doing this for you only. Okay, I'm doing this for you only guys. Okay, so copy this angry emoji icon as well, paste it here and say here angry and say here angry as well. Okay, so guys, whenever user will click on happy, neutral or angry button, okay, this object will be assigned, to this c.data.selected mode, and whenever user will click on angry button, this data will be assigned to this c.data.selected mode. Okay, this is it. Okay, this is it. So now just come here, and now below this div I'm going to create here the display mode. Okay, I'm going to create here the panel to display the current mode of the user. Okay, so class I'll give here first. Let's just close this div, and now I'll just give you a class as a, I can say here selected. Okay, display. Okay, selected display, and I'll give you the condition as well. Okay, I'll use here ng if. Okay, I'll check with the condition using ng if. Okay, so guys, we will show this panel once user will click on any button. Okay, so guys, we will show this panel. Okay, let me just come here to the example. Okay, see, let me just refresh the page first. You can see this panel will be shown. Okay guys, this panel will be shown once the user will click on angry, happy or neutral button, then only we will show this panel. Okay, then only we will show this panel. So this is what I'm doing here. So this is what I'm doing here. So I'll use here c.data dot selected. Okay, selected mode. Okay, c.data dot selected mode. Okay, if it is selected, if it is there, then only we will show this panel, otherwise we will not show it. Okay, otherwise we will keep it hidden. Okay, so now I'm going to create here another div to show the big emoji. Okay, so just give here to show the big emoji. What I'll do here, I'll just say here big emoji class I will provide here. Okay, and now let's just write here comment also for you guys. Okay, so I'll just say here big emoji display. Okay, so now inside this div I'll just say here open this div now, and I'll use here string interpolation, go a little up, and now I'll just say here c dot data. Okay, dot c dot data dot, okay, this selected. Okay, this selected mode. Okay, this selected mode. So copy this from here and just paste it here to show the emoji. What I'll do here, I'll just say here emoji. Okay, emoji. So as of now, just save this widget file first. And now guys, come here and refresh this page and click on any button, happy, neutral or angry. So click on angry. See, this is doing great, but let me just check what is the issue here. the issue here. So c dot data dot selected mode. Okay, so just so c dot data dot selected mode selected. Okay, okay, there to remove here this dot c. Okay, okay, so let me just check what is the issue here. So mode, so c dot data dot selected. Okay, I think let's just change the function name, guys. Okay, let's just change the function name. Okay, say here mode. Okay, let's just change this function name. So copy this function name from here. Okay, copy this function name from here, and let's just change here as well. Okay, and now let me just save this one more time. So now refresh this. Okay, so what is the issue, guys, here? I don't think there is selected mode dot mode. Okay, so no issue at all, guys. There is no issue at all. Mode. So let me just refresh one more time. And class is doing great. Okay, so ng if c dot data dot selected mode. Let's just try to remove this condition first. Let's just remove try. And now refresh this page. Yeah, we can see here this is doing great. Okay, so guys, we got the issue. What is the issue here? Let's just control Z. Okay, so we don't have any issue here at clicked. Okay, so ng if equal to, I'll just say here c dot data dot let's just copy this from here. Okay, selected mode. Okay, and now just paste it here. Okay, and now save this widget. doing great, guys. I don't know what is the issue. See, now this is doing great. No issue at all, guys. Okay, no issue at all. Refresh the page. So I think there will be some spelling mistake, I guess. Okay, there will be some spelling mistake, so don't worry. We have resolved the issue. There is no issue at all. There is no problem at all. Okay, so now I'll just below this I'll just show you the message. Okay, now I'll show the message. So create a div and give the class. Close this div now, and I'll just say here message. Okay, to display the message I'll give the message class here. So now open this div now. Inside this div I'll just create here another div. Okay, so give a class, and I can give the class as a message title. Just close this div now. In string interpolation or interpolation we can say here. So I can just now let me just copy and paste it here, go a little up, and I'll just say here, I'll just give you a simple string. I'll just say here you are feeling, you're feeling. So now I'll just say here c dot data dot selected. I can just copy this because there will be some spelling mistake. Okay, I don't want to be okay. I don't want to have any issue now. So just paste it here. Dot. I will just show here level. Okay, so give here level. Okay, so it's level. Okay, so now just save this widget. Save this. Come here and refresh this page. So click on happy. You can see here you are feeling happy, neutral. Okay, so let me just go to the example. So I will just check with the classes. So instead of message title I'll give here mood name. I can give you a mood name. Okay, so this is the predefined classes I have just written in this CSS. Okay, this is it. Okay, so now I'll just inside this div only I will write the comment to show the other things. Okay, I can say here details, create a div, give the class, close this div and give a class. I can give a class as a details. Okay, so open this div, and inside this div I'll just create here couple of div. Okay, couple of div I will create, give class, close this div, and now I'll just say here detail level, or say here item. Okay, and now open this div, and inside this div I'll create a couple of span element. Span and give here class. So class I will give here the detail level. So here level is the mood. Okay, and inside this span I can just give the class as a detail value, and now I'll say here c dot data dot selected mood. Okay, selected mood. Let me just copy this from here because this is the okay, last time I got the issue because of this spelling mistake only. Okay, because of this spelling mistake only, so I'll just say here level. So now let me just copy this div from here to here and just paste it here. Okay, and instead of mode I'll just say here emoji, and instead of label I'll just say here emoji. Okay, emoji, this is it. And now paste it here as well, and instead of mode I'll just say here the status, and I'll just say here recorded. As of now, just save this file. So come here and now refresh this page, and now click on the happy button. See, boom guys, we can see here this is doing great guys. See, this is doing great. Okay, this is doing great guys. So now we will create here a button. So come here, and now we will create here the buttons. Okay, reset button. So I'll create here the reset button as well. So reset button I'll create here inside this only. So I'll create here the reset button inside this div only. So I'll just say here reset button. Okay, so now let's just go a little up, create a div, give class, and now I'll just say here what can I say here, say here reset button. Okay, and open this div, and on this div we will give you the text as a, I can say here let's just create here a span. We can create a span anything, span div inside this we can do anything. Okay, we are a developer. Open a div, create here a span, give class, and close this span very quickly. Okay, so now I'll just give you classes as a reset icon, and on this button or on this div instead of guys let's just let it be div also, let it be button, or make it button as well. Okay, so it will be easy, so we have to follow this semantic rule. Okay, so now ng click equal to, I'll say here c dot, I'll define your function name, I'll say here reset mode. Okay, reset mode, this is it. We will just define this function now inside our Angular. So go down, and here I'll just define this. So I'll just say here what is the issue guys? So okay, so I'm sorry, function, and close this, and now let me just again set it with null. Okay, so make it again null, okay, this is it. As of now I'll just come here and I'll give the text also. I'll just say here select different mode. Okay, select different mode. Okay, so now just save this widget. So my system is behaving little weird today. Okay, so now no issue at all. So come here and now refresh this page. So now click on happy button. So here it is, select a different mood. See, it is now reset. Click on neutral, select a different mood. See, it is now reset. Click on angry, go down, go up, click the button, select different mood. So it is here. Okay, so this is doing great, this is doing cool, this is doing fantastic. Okay, no issue at all. Angry, neutral, happy, neutral, angry. Okay, so select a different mode. select a different mode, select a different mode. Okay, this is it. So come here, and now I'll create here. What can I say, guys? The I'll create here mm, the another button. Okay, so let me just go to the example. So I'll just so see, initially it is saying click any button above to inside this div, give class, close this div first, give the class. I can say here empty state, empty state. And now I can just create a couple of divs inside this div and close this div. Now create another div. Okay, and give the text here, click any button above to select your mode. Let me just copy the icon. Let me just copy the icon. Let me just copy the icon, the finger pointing icon. Okay, so let me just copy the finger pointing icon, this icon, copy this, and let me just paste it here. Okay, so close this, we don't need this at all. Okay, so I can see here empty icon, and I can say here empty text. Okay, this is it. And now we will hide this, we will show this once this panel is shown. We will hide this once this panel is hidden. I mean, once this panel is hidden. Okay, once this panel is hidden, we will show it. Okay, so we will just use your ng if condition. Okay, so I'll just check with the negation. Okay, data dot selected mode. Let me just copy the selected mode variable name from here. Okay, so I don't want any issue now at this point. Okay, so guys, okay, if this is set, we will hide this. If this is not set, we will show this panel. Okay, so guys, this is saying if this is set, we will hide this. If this is not set, we will show this. Okay, so let me just as of now just so let me just save this one more time. My system is not okay doing me favor. It is behaving a little weird, little different today. Okay, so no shadow, come here, and now see, now it is shown because nothing is shown. So once we will click on any of the angry, neutral button or happy button, it will be hidden. Okay, so see, it is now hidden. Click on neutral. Okay, so now it is hidden. Click on angry. So now it is hidden. So now guys, I'm going to make it toggle. Okay, I'm going to make it toggle. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to make it toggle with the things. So now come here, and inside this so let me just cut it out from here, and I just gave you this. Okay, like what can I say, comment for your explanation. Okay, so I'll just check. First of all, I'll just check. Okay, I'll just check with the if condition. Okay, first of all, I'll check with the if condition. Okay, if I'll just check. Okay, if c if c dot selected mode, I mean not c dot data dot selected mode. Okay, selected mode, this 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 selected mode, okay, this selected mode is set, okay, is set. And again we will check, okay, again we will check c dot data dot selected mode dot name equal to this mode dot name, okay, this mode dot name, okay. If it is equal, okay, if it is equal, which means user has clicked on the same button, okay. If user this if it is selected and again user will click on the happy button, it will be deselected. If neutral is selected and again user will click on the neutral button, it will be deselected. If angry is selected and if again user will click on the same angry button, it will be again deselected, okay. So in this way we can toggle the things, okay, in this way we can toggle the things. So this says here again, which means we have to set it null, and inside the else block of code, what I'll just say here, I'll just set with this mode, okay, I'll just set with this mode, okay. This is really simple, this is really dynamic. So now just save this widget file and now come here, refresh this page, and now we can toggle the things. Now click on the same happy button again, see, boom guys, click on happy, click on again happy button, see, we can toggle the things. Click on neutral, again click on the neutral button, see, click on angry, again click on the angry button to deselect this. So in this way we can toggle the things, okay. Click on neutral, we can select different mode from here as well, we can select the different mode from this button as well, okay. Click on happy, again click on happy, so we can toggle the things, okay, like this, happy, neutral, angry, neutral, happy. We can select a different mode as well, we can toggle the things, okay. So guys, this is it for this video, for this demo, for this session in ServiceNow. I hope guys you have learned something cool, something great, something dynamic as well. We got the issue as well, okay, we got into trouble, we got into issue as well in this video, in this session, but we have resolved this issue, we have resolved this, okay, problem. And I hope guys you have definitely learned something new, something great, something dynamic in ServiceNow and in ServiceNow scripting as well, okay. So guys, if you are new to react, I mean if you are new to ServiceNow, then guys you must watch this entire video if you want to become a great and dynamic ServiceNow developer in coming future in 2026, okay. So guys, this is the client controller, and so guys, let me just give you some extra knowledge, okay. So guys, suppose we have some data inside the server script, okay. Suppose guys we have some data inside the server script and we want to show this data, and we want to show this data in our HTML part, in our view part. Then what I will do here, so guys this is the global data object, okay. So guys this is the global data object and we have to use this global data object, okay. So let me just say here data dot title equal to, I'll give here er Prabhat Pandit, okay. So guys okay, so now, okay, to grab this data guys, to grab this, okay, data inside the HTML part, inside the view part, what I will do here, first of all we have to do here one thing, okay. First of all we have to do here one thing, so we have to say here, okay, I'm going to say here, so say here c dot p equal to, we will say here c dot data, okay, c dot data dot title, okay, title. And now we will be able to grab this er Prabhat Pandit in our this data, okay, in our this data. So come here to the HTML part, to the view part. Below this I'll just create here one h element. So guys, this is the bonus knowledge I'm giving you in this tutorial, okay, for the future reference, for the coming project, okay. So now just save this widget. Okay, and now come here and now refresh this page. So see, we are able to see here ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, this is doing great, this is doing cool. Okay, and we can also grab this inside. Okay, we can also grab this inside this object as well, inside this object as well. Okay, we can grab this, so now we don't have to use here C anymore. Okay, so now put here comma, so not equal to, I'll just use here this. Okay, so now what I will do here, so now I will just say here c dot data dot p. So save this widget file one more time and come here and refresh this page. So again here we can see the same text ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, I hope you have learned something cool, something great, something dynamic from this video, from this session in ServiceNow. Okay, so guys, I hope you will subscribe now my this channel Code with ER, and you will press the bell icon also. So please guys, support me and please promote me guys. I need your help, I need your support, and the only way you can guys support me and the only way you can help me by subscribing to my channel and by liking my all the videos as well. Okay, so see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye guys. This is Prabhat Pandit signing off now. Please guys, do subscribe now my this channel Code with ER. Okay, and don't forget to share this video with your friends, with your colleagues, with your groups as well. Okay, so see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye guys. This is Prabhat Pandit signing off now.